Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Data Science for Engineers, week 4th, assignment 4th. So the first question is, let f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 24x plus 7. Select the correct option from the following. So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is B. X is equal to 2 will give the minimum for f of x. Now the second question is, find the gradient of f of x equal to x square y at x comma y equal to 1 comma 3. So the answer of our second question is also B, delta f equal to 6 1. Now the third question is, find the Hessian matrix for f of x comma y equal to x square y at x comma y equal to 1 comma 3. So the answer of our third question is C. Now the fourth question is, let f of x y comma y equal to minus 3x square minus 6xy minus 6y square. The point 0 comma 0 is a. So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is B, maxima. Now the fifth question is, for which number B is the matrix A equal to 1 B9 positive definite. So the answer of our fifth question is A. Now the sixth question is, consider f of x is equal to x cube minus 12x minus 5. Which among the following statement are true? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is B and D. Now the seventh question is, consider the following optimization problem where f of x is equal to x ki power 4 plus 7x cube plus 5x square minus 17x plus 3. Let x be the maximize of f of x. What is the second order sufficient condition for x star x to the power star to be the maximizer of the function f of x? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is D. Now the eighth question is, in optimization problem, the function that we want to optimize is called. So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is D, objective function. Now the ninth question is the optimization problem. Min x f of x can also be written as max f of x. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our ninth question is B, false. Now the tenth question is, gradient descendant algorithm converges to the local minimum. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our tenth question is A, true. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.